Are you worried about your child getting a great job in the future? A long time ago, to get a job, all you had to do was graduate from university and then you had a nice job. It's not so easy anymore. Sorry, I failed to get a job again. They all want experience. How can I get experience without a job? So, what to do? Allow me to help. I am currently the only foreigner in Asia that is certified by both Pierre and ISEF to be an education consultant. You can trust me to help you obtain your dreams. Start early while you are still in middle school. Learn from the comfort of your own home. But most importantly is to learn slowly but with lots of practice exercises. Check out www.getthesolution.com for more information about what I can offer you. I am hoping to get public school students to attend for free. Check out my Facebook page for up-to-date information, www.facebook.com/getthesolution.kids. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.